Hello everyone, welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. So in this video ay magpa-practice po tayo ng mga word problems or specifically the age word problems na usually lumalabas po sa mga actual na civil service examinations or any government examinations. So let's start with number 1. A father is 3 times as old as his son, and his daughter is 3 years younger than his son. If the sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago was 63 years, find the present age of the father. Kagaya po ng nakasanayan natin para ma-solve po natin yung mga problem is to understand first. At ang gagawin po natin is to set up an algebraic equations based on the relationships na nakadescribe dito sa tanong. And then, tsaka pa lang po natin isolve yung equation step by step. So, ito po yung mga given dito sa tanong, no? Yung father's age is just 3 times the son's age. And the daughter's age is just the son's age minus 3. Now, baka may magtatanong kung bakit nag-minus 3 tayo sa daughter's age. Kasi nga, sabi sa tanong, the daughter is 3 years younger than his son. So, ibig sabihin, mas bata ng 3 taon yung daughter compared to his son. At ang sabi pa dito, the sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago was 63 years. So now, we have all this given information na nakabase po dito sa tanong. At ngayon, ang gagawin naman po natin is to construct an algebraic expression based on this given information. So let's denote that the son's current age is X years. So kumbaga hindi pa natin alam. Let's assume na yung edad ng anak na lalaki is X years. And as we all know that the father's current age is 3 times the son's age. So kung 3 times the son's age, that only means the father's current age is just 3x. Kasi nga 3 times ang kanyang edad compared sa kanyang anak na lalaki. And lastly, as we all know that the daughter's age is just the son's age minus 3. Kasi nga mas bata ng 3 taon yung anak na babae kaysa sa anak na lalaki. So that only means the daughter's current age is just X minus 3 years. So now, meron na po tayong mga representation ng mga current ages of the father, son, and daughter. Now, ang sabi pa dito, if the sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago was 63 years. Now, kung ito pala yung current ages nila, ibig sabihin, 3 years ago ay magsasubtract lang po tayo ng tagti 3 years kay father, kay son, and kay daughter. At ang ibig sabihin po nito na ito pala yung mga ages of the father, son, and daughter 3 years ago. Kasi nga magsasubtract lang tayo ng 3 years dito sa current ages para makita natin kung ano nga ba yung ages nilang tatlo 3 years ago. At ngayon, simplify muna natin ito. X minus 3 minus 3. And that is equal to X minus 6. So now, i-add up lang po natin ang tatlong ages na ito to 63 years. Kasi nga ang sum of all 3 ages 3 years ago was 63 years. This only means that X minus 3 plus 3X minus 3 plus X minus 6, and that is equal to 63. So now let's operate algebraically. X plus 3X, and that is 4X, plus another X, and that is equal to 5X. Next, negative 3 minus 3, and that is equal to negative 6, minus 6, and that is equal to negative 12. So that means this is minus 12, and that is equal to 63. By the way, if you want to know more on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide with the similar signs like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, positive, negative, negative, positive, you can watch the video, which you can find the link on the description box. So now let's continue. So we have 5x minus 12, and that is equal to 63. So now, let's transpose 12 dito sa kabila. Now, tandaan po na kapag nagtatranspose or nagtatransfer po tayo ng any terms in between sa equal na symbol, mababago na po yung kanyang sign. Kung positive, magiging negative na, at kung negative, ay magiging positive na. So in this case, since na itatranspose natin si 12 dito sa kabila, since negative naman siya, magiging positive na. So this will become 5x equal to 63 plus 12. 63 plus 12, and that is equal to 75. So now, let's divide 5 both sides. So we have divided by 5, divided by 5. So we have our x is equal to 75 divided by 5, and that is equal to 15. Since our x is equal to 15, therefore, the son's current age is 15 years. Now, kung 15 years pala yung anak na lalaki, yung current age niya, therefore, the father's current age is 3 times 15, right? Kasi nga 3x. So, 3 times 15, and that is equal to 45. Therefore, the father's current age is 45 years. At ito na po yung sagot. Kasi ang ipinapahanap lang din po naman sa atin is to find the present age of the father. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So now let's proceed with our next problem. The sum of Claude and Wena's ages is 64. In 4 years, Wena will be 3 times as old as Claude. How old are they now? By the way, isa din po sa pinakamagandang technique para mas mabilis nyo pong makalculate or masagutan yung mga age word problems is to relate the question sa mga totoong tao. Let's say for example, yung mga given na ages sa tanong ay i-assign nyo po sa mga totoong tao sa paligid mo para mas madali mo silang mabigyan ng mga relationships like sa father mo, sa mother, sa siblings, at sa mga kaibigan mo. Now, balik na po tayo dito sa ating problem. So, to solve this one, we will use the method of simultaneous linear equations. So, kumbaga po, mag-a-assign tayo ng mga variables for the unknowns and translate the problem statements into an equation. So now, let's assign the variable C be the Claude's current age and W be Wena's current age. So, ang ginamit ko pong mga letters ay of course yung mga initial ng kanilang pangalan na lang. By the way, you can use any letters you want kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Sabi dito sa tanong, the sum of Claude and Wena's ages is 64. So, ibig sabihin nito, C plus W is equal to 64. Next statement. In 4 years, Wena will be 3 times as old as Claude. So, ibig sabihin po nito, W is equal to 3C. Pero may nakalagay pala, no? In 4 years. So, ibig sabihin, in the next 4 years pa pala. So, mag-a-add lang po tayo ng 4 both sides. So, ibig sabihin nito, this is W plus 4 is equal to 3 times C plus 4. So, we can use these two equations to solve for their current ages. But first, let's simplify this second equation. So 3 times C, and that is 3C. 3 times 4, and that is 12. So we have W plus 4 equal to 3C plus 12. Now, dito naman po sa ating first equation, let's express W in terms of C. So we have W is equal to 64 minus C. So, inilipat lang po natin yung C dito sa kabila. So, meron po tayong value ni W which is 64 minus C. So, isa-substitute po natin ito dito sa W sa second equation. So, we have 64 minus C plus 4 equal to 3C plus 12. 64 plus 4, and that is equal to 68 minus C equal to 3C plus 12. So, lipat po natin si C dito sa kabila and this will become positive. So, therefore, 3C plus C and that is equal to 4C. At yung 12 naman, ilipat natin dito sa kabila and this will become negative. So we have 68 minus 12 equal to 4C. 68 minus 12 and that is equal to 56. So we have 56 equal to 4C. Then divide 4 both sides. So we have divided by 4 divided by 4. So our C is equal to 14 since 56 divided by 4 is equal to 14. Since alam naman po natin na yung C stands for Claude's age. So therefore, Claude's current age is 14 years. So para malaman naman po natin kung ilang taon na si Wena, we will just substitute 14 dito sa ating first equation. So we have 14 plus W which is equal to 64. And now transpose 14 dito sa kabila and this will become negative. So we have W which is equal to 64 minus 14 and that is equal to 50. So therefore, Claude is 14 years old and Wena is 50 years old. So ito na po yung sagot. By the way, pwede nyo din palang gamitin ito para hindi na po kayo mag-transpose dito kasi ito po ay nakatranspose na po yung C. And I hope this video makes sense to you. At kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Huwag na rin pong kalimutang i-follow ang ating official Facebook page. That's all for this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.